If you want to start your own print-on-demand business and you want your own website, not just selling on Etsy, for example, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the Printify WordPress WooCommerce integration. So I will show you exactly how to start a print-on-demand store on WordPress. So by getting hosting, setting up a theme, setting up your store, connecting WordPress to Printify, so WooCommerce with Printify, and listing those products in your store and starting to make sales. So let's not wait any longer and get right into it. So before starting with the actual integration, creating the product and clicking publish so they can go directly into your WooCommerce store, there are a few things you need to have. The first thing is hosting, a domain, and the WordPress integration. My recommended hosting provider is in the description below. It is by far the best that I've used, and it is the one that I'm using with my print-on-demand store right now. So all you have to do is just sign up for hosting. You get the domain name for free for the first year, and you can just come up with a name for your print-on-demand store, get your website up and running. The next thing you need is WooCommerce installed. With one of the hosting plans that I've mentioned before, you can get WooCommerce and the Shoptimizer theme already installed for you. That is worth $99. So if you want to start a print-on-demand store on WordPress and just want the perfect theme that makes it look really good and makes your product stand out and be really easy to purchase, you have an open cart, you have the checkout already set up for you. So basically everything you see here in my print-on-demand store is because of that theme. So I didn't set that up, no coding, nothing. I just took care of my branding, and everything else was just already there because of this plan that I purchased. So again, link is in the description, and once you buy it, everything is already installed. WooCommerce is pre-installed, the Shoptimizer theme as well. So all you have to do is just customize it and you're done. The next thing you need is a Printify account. So if you don't have one already, make sure to click the link below and start your Printify account today. And then the final thing, you need a product idea, a brand idea, and a few designs ready so you can add them to your product and then publish them to your WooCommerce store. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to keep this super simple and show you step-by-step instructions. So step number one, if you already have a WordPress website, you just need to go to plugins, search for WooCommerce, and install it. And then you will need to set up a few things about your address, your company details, payment details, shop currency, and so much more. Once it is installed, again, you activate it and then add all those setups. Now with print on demand and with Printify, you don't have to worry about adding each of the products manually, adding inventory, variants, sizes, colors. You don't need to add that manually. So Printify makes it so easy to just publish your products directly from Printify. You select the variants, colors, everything in there, and then just click publish and it goes straight into your WooCommerce store. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure to connect your domain to the hosting provider that you have, to your website, so everything is already set up. So make sure that you already have the domain connected. And if you don't know how to do that, it should already be there if you use Elementor as your hosting provider. But if you have an external domain provider, you might need some DNS settings. So let me know if you want a tutorial on that. I'm asking you to connect your domain because when you go to Printify to connect your store, to your WooCommerce store, to your Printify account, it will ask you to write your domain, and that will need to be activated as well as the SSL certificate. So now the next step is to go to your Printify account, go to stores, manage my stores, and you pick from the options there, you will pick WooCommerce, and you will be able to connect your store really easily. You just follow the on-screen instructions. So you add the domain name, and then by following the instructions on the screen, you will be able to then connect your Printify account to your WooCommerce store really easily. That will make it really easy for you to just publish your products, as I've said, and you won't have to do any more modifications after that. Sometimes Printify also asks for an API connection or permissions, but basically you're allowing Printify to send products into your WooCommerce store, but with your permission. You will have to click publish. So you need to make sure that your site is using HTTPS, so the SSL certificate. Most hosting providers give it for free, so you'll just need to activate it. Now for the next step, it is time to start creating a product inside Printify before you publish it to WooCommerce. So to do that, you will go to the catalog, pick a product, for example, t-shirt, hoodie, mug, phone case, anything you want. You choose the print provider, then you go ahead and choose the colors and sizes, and you click upload design. So you can upload a PNG with transparent background in high resolution, and make sure to center it. You can adjust the placement, chest, back, sleeve, whatever you want. So if you're doing embroidery, you can always preview it and choose recommended thread colors for the best results. While you do that, you can also click preview to preview the mockups. Make sure to change anything about the design placement if you want it in a different place, and then you can move on to pricing, description, titles, and more. Now you will have to choose the title of the product, the description, and the pricing. So you will have to set your retail price inside Printify. So if the base cost is $12, the retail price is $24, let's say. So that means your profit is around $12 minus any extra fees, and the client pays for shipping. So this is where you decide how premium your brand is, and you can edit the pricing to edit the profit margin or to edit the retail price, and this is how you decide what the pricing for that product would be. Once everything is set up and ready, you will need to click publish so you can publish it to your WooCommerce store. So Printify will automatically push the product to your website. It will create the product title, it will give you the images and mockups, variants, sizes, colors, the pricing as well, and the product description that you can edit later. This part is seriously so easy because all you have to do is click publish and Printify takes care of everything. And in just less than a few minutes, you'll be able to go to your WooCommerce store to products and you will see the product right there. It will show you in stock and you can preview it on your website. You can see the mock-up photos, the description, everything, and people will be able to select from sizes and colors, and that will be really easy to do. Add to cart and check out your product. You can edit shipping settings inside WooCommerce. Make sure to add a new description or title if you want that. You can add extra product images if you have some that you took yourself of your samples, and it is really easy to customize those products just inside products from WooCommerce. Before you launch your site, it is recommended that you test the product. So add to cart, try checking out a product with a low price to see how everything works. Add more products, see if they publish, make sure that your store is really well connected, the domain and everything else. And after that, you'll be able to make sure that your website is live and people can shop from your store. So there you go. This is exactly how you integrate Printify with your WooCommerce store in WordPress and start your e-commerce store and start making those sales. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and make sure to subscribe because I have more videos coming every single week. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!